Hey, it is Brian. It is an 11/13 stock market update. I was going to go in and sell my Exxon shares tomorrow at the open. I had a sell order in there at just above $90 a share. It was a nice 4.5% or 4.4% run. But all of a sudden, oil is spiking in the after hours. What's going on is because the Russians have closed the Nord Stream pipeline or turned it back down to 20% again, just to give the bird to Europe and freeze them all out and put political pressure on those parties over there that are running around with their heads cut off, like chickens with their heads cut off. That has pushed the price of a barrel of oil up in the aftermarket hours. So it makes no sense to go in and place a trade to sell ExxonMobil, the number one oil company, oil major on the globe, basically, but really technically the number one oil major in the United States, at just over $90 a share tomorrow morning. So I've gone in and I've canceled that trade, and I've actually moved it to 91 and a quarter. So, and then when I get up in the morning, I'll see exactly where it's at. I might end up taking it back off and just letting that trade run. If it's 91 and a quarter, it's still a 4.5% gain for the trade, which is fine. And my Oxy shares, of course, are going to be up really nicely tomorrow too, based upon what's going on with crude oil in the after hours. The other thing that's fun is after hours in the Dow, all red, NASDAQ red, Russell 2000 red, and S&P futures red. And the reason for that is because 135 or 34, 134 was the max, was the top of the market. It was mathematically at the top of the market. If I pull up the spreadsheet and showed you that, actually there was some new numbers today that came in with the market today because we rallied going into the close. We could technically see a run to 32,280 now. 32,280 is a potential run, but after Walmart's numbers came out, I think that tomorrow everybody's going to be running for the hills. And with the price of oil spiking, that means inflation's back. I think that everybody's going to be running for the hills, and we are going to see oil do really well tomorrow, which it's been on a tear, and that should help my accounts as well too. Like I said, I don't really have to make any assumptions on Oxy until I get another about $2 a share. Oxy's 64 right now. Once I get to 66, then I'll go in and I'll sell the 65 2-week out. Call option probably. I might only go a week out. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet because Oxy reports August 3rd, and I kind of want to hold without any option positions through that number. We'll see what Exxon's number is. They report sooner, so we'll have to see what happens with that trade. But that's where I'm at right now. Just wanted to do this late night quick update. Oil is breaking higher on the global market, and that's definitely helping my Exxon and my Oxy trades. Tomorrow morning, I have decided, let me just pull up the spreadsheet here for you. Tomorrow morning, I have decided to go in and get out of kind of hard to do this. So, oh, here it is. So this is real estate where I'm at. So, as you know, I'm making money as a realtor. I get paid a commission to do what I do. So it is what it is. Wherever I work, I get paid the same commission. So it doesn't really matter. But you can see that real has broken down. Yet the trend is saying that they're going to be up by 5 cents tomorrow. And I'm just done with it. I've held it for long enough. This run from 110 to 170, sorry, I should turn this around, 110 to 170 was the run, and now we're just giving back pennies and pennies and pennies every single day. So it's turned far red in my spreadsheet. It's turned negative in this column, and the negative numbers are really, really low. 0.96 as the U.S. Real estate market gets crushed. I believe it's just time to go ahead and get rid of this trade. And so I've got a sell order at the market for tomorrow morning on my real shares. It'd be a very, very small little profit. It's not like it's a lot of money at all, especially when you're looking at $1.50 stocks. But since we're in the spreadsheet though, we may as well go over and show you what's going on with Oxy. Oxy, as you can see, 1.073 and 8501. So if you did the math, 8501 divided by 8448, that gives you the rest of the run in Oxy, and the rest of the run in Oxy could be 6641. And so if we get there, that's going to be the time to go ahead and execute on some covered call options. I just don't know whether I'm going to do that or not for sure. Depends upon what the markets are doing tomorrow. But thanks for watching. That's what's going on for tonight. Market is still in a rally. We can go up to 32,280 now. I just don't think we do that, especially after Walmart's after hours information. The Walmart information was really, really bad. And if the lower end of the market is getting crushed, if nobody can go into Walmart and buy anything and Walmart can't be profitable at what they're doing, that tells you that nobody can be profitable at what they're doing. And it doesn't speak well for Target, doesn't speak well for any of the other retail. And if retail is getting crushed, then it is very, very bad out there. So anyway, that's just your update for today. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.